Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Honorable Miss Putri Ayinda Dinanti M. Hum. As our lecture, let, inter- let me introduce myself. My name is Siti Maimuna with student ID number 311211010, and I'm from the English Literature Program. I thank God because today I can record my research seminar. I also thank Miss Putri for this opportunity, and I will present my research seminar with the title Representation of Feminism in Selected Song by Paris Paloma. Okay, the first I will explain about abstract in this study. The abstract, the study analyzed feminist themes in Paris Paloma's song Labor, Drywall, As Good a Reason, and Last Woman on Earth using feminist existentialist theory and semiotics. It examines the figurative language in the lyric to uncover meanings about gender equality, resistance to patriarchal norms, and woman empowerment. The findings highlight themes of male dominance, self discovery, and solidarity among women. Paloma's songs use strong imagery to portray women's emotional struggle and resilience, showing how music can inspire social change and empowerment. Next, the chapter 1, Introduction, includes background of the study. This slide explains uh, why literature is important. Literature reflects human experience and emotion, often using creative language. Songs are a part of literature. They are not only entertainment but also carry deep message. Paris Paloma's songs talk about feminism, like Labor, Drywall, As Good a Reason, Last Woman on Earth, explore feminist themes like male dominance, women's resilience, and independence. Using figurative language, Paris Paloma conveys struggle and empowerment, inspiring women to challenge patriarchy. Her music bridges art and activism, resonating globally and sparking cultural conversation on platforms like TikTok. Next, objectivize of the study. This slide explains the purpose of the study. There are two main objectives. The first, to identify the figurative language in Paris Paloma's song, like metaphor, personification, hyperbole, etc. Figurative language makes the lyrics more beautiful and meaningful. The second, to explain or analyze how this lyric represent feminism. The study will focus on themes like women's freedom, struggle, and empowerment. The objectives show what this research wants to achieve and why it is important. Next, scope of the study. This slide explains what the research focus on. The study only analyzed for song by Paris Paloma. The songs are chosen because they talk about feminism. The research looks at the figurative language in the lyric, like metaphor, personification, hyperbole, and etc., and how they connect to feminist ideas. For example, the songs show how women for fight for their freedom or stand up against male dominance. The study used Simone de Beauvoir feminist theory to help understand these themes. Next, chapter 2, review of literature. In the slides, talks about the theory used in the study. The first, feminist existentialism by Simone de Beauvoir. This theory explains how women are often seen as the other in patriarchal society. It talks about women's struggle to gain freedom and equality. It shows that women are not born as a second class, but society makes them that way. The second, uh, figurative language, semiotic figurative language by Ferdinand de Saussure and Karl George. This theory helps analyze the meaning of song lyric. It looks at signs and symbols in the lyrics and how they create meaning. These theories help us understand the deeper message in Paris Paloma song. The next slide is chapter 3, research methodology. In this slides, in this slide, explain how the research is done. It uses qualitative methods to study the lyrics of the song. The first, the researcher listens listens to the song carefully. Second, the researcher reads the lyrics to find figurative language. Third, the researcher analyzes the meaning of the lyric and connect them to feminism themes. Finally, the researcher used feminist and semiotic figurative theories to explain how the lyric represent feminism. This theory helps the research focus on the hidden message in the song. Next slide, expected outcomes. This slide talks about what the research hopes to achieve. The study will show how Paris Paloma's song represent feminist ideas, help people understand how music can inspire social change, contribute to discussion about gender equality and women's rights. The research hopes to show that music is a powerful tool to spread important message and encourage change. Next conclusion. Uh, this slide summarizes everything discussed in the study. It highlights that songs are not just entertainment but also a medium of feminist message. Paris Paloma's songs show the struggles and strength of women, inspiring listeners to think about gender equality. The research proves that music can play an important role in social change and women's empowerment. And then reference. The slides gives credit to all the research that help in the study. It includes books, journal, and articles about feminism, semiotic, figurative language, and Paris Paloma's music. Providing reference is important to show that the research is based on credible information and to help others who want to learn more about the topic. And the last, uh, thank you very much for listening to my presentation. I hope this presentation has given you new insights about how music can reflect social issues, especially feminism. I also hope that I can meet the expectation of this course and successfully pass the seminar proposal class with good result. Once again, thank you to Miss Putri Ayinda Dinanti M. Hum for her guidance and support. And thank you to my friends. Let's continue to appreciate literature and music as tools for understanding and changing the world. Thank you all from me, Siti Maimunah. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.